I used to dream of becoming a dancer. In my mind, 1,000 worlds swirled around and dance was born. I can still feel it. I know it. And then my dreams became reality. I lived them through hard work, visualizing, and literally breathing them into the world. I was able to live my dream. I was able to experience it until something else happened. While I was becoming a dancer, I discovered a passion for learning. And not just dance, but the craft of dancing. What the mind, body, and the soul must absorb and cultivate in order for dance, any movement, to really take place. I discovered a passion for understanding myself, my mind, and my body. A holistic healthiness like no other. Something transcendental that connects all human beings through the pursuit of health and happiness. All of this brought me to a calling, a new direction for my life, another form of giving. I discovered teaching the Pilates system. My name is Simona Cipriani, and I teach the art of contrology, better known as Pilates. There is something special about us, our mind, our body, who we are and how we interact with this world, how our bodies experience this place, the capabilities, our limitations, and our potential. Pilates offers more than just an improvement in strength, flexibility, and even posture, also the enhancement of mental awareness. We are all learners. We all have the ability to absorb and then dispense information that is mental, emotional, and kinetic. And if one chooses, it can even be spiritual. That is the brilliance of this art, and I love it and live it. I teach, instruct, and facilitate others who have discovered the power of Pilates like I discovered its power, in all its fullness. Pilates is a lifestyle, and those that want to become instructors take on this life-giving exercise and experience. It becomes part of your body, who you are. And then as an instructor, you have the unique opportunity to share that with others, to help come alive like never before, to renew minds, resurrect bodies, revitalize the body's capabilities, and stretch beyond its so-called limitations. This is Pilates, the foundation of what it is and what it's about, and we are stewards of this kind of human cultivation. This is me. This is us. This is life. Power, passion. Pilates is a form of therapy with many decades of lineage, steeped in origin and antiquity. An art form founded on the philosophies and teaching styles of Joseph and Clara Pilates, as well as Romana Krzyzewska. Such a rich history that has an even richer and fuller future that is birthed in the now, the present, the moment. I want to surround myself with like-minded people to join with me in devoting their lives to the art of contrology and growing both mentally and physically. Simona Cipriani.